got a couple scenarios here, one from US and one from London. Now, this is a very clear trade. I'll show you on the 1 hour, very clear trade. This is a US zone. The 5 minute, it started below, it's pushed up to the zone and it's rejected. So from this point, you can get to selling with your stops just above. Now, in terms of targets, here's where it gets difficult because if I'm going to target, there's no recent price action to go off. So where am I going to target? Because there's no price action around here to target. So in this case, what I'll do is I'll go all the way to the left and I'm going to see what happened the last time that this price point was traded in US session. So anywhere around here, I'm just looking for whatever zones were created last time US traded this point. So what you can immediately see we have is this zone right here, which is where the last US session zone was down from where we sold from. So if I drag it all the way across, this is the next zone down from this. So we're just trading this range here. So now we have a target, and that's because we looked left to see where we could find this target from. So if I play this one out all the way down and like that, it rejects that target perfectly and comes all the way back up. So that is how we found the perfect target. All we had to do was look left. So the main point is when there's no recent price action to target your trades with, all you got to do, go left. What happened the last time that silver traded at this price point in US session? And we got this zone right here. So that is what we could have targeted. Really simple. So another US example here on GBP JPY, you can see we had a clear US high zone there. We've pushed up to the zone, we've tapped in, and we've now got a clear rejection. So from this point, you can definitely get to selling. So your stops would be just above. Now, in terms of targets on this one, you wouldn't want to be targeting, you'd have been break even around here, but you wouldn't want to be targeting past there. But for the purpose of this video, for what I'm trying to demonstrate, then I am going to say we're going to target beyond this. So where would we go to find the target beyond this? Well, all we've got to do is look left. What happened the last time GJ traded around this price? And as you can see, there's no recent price action to go off. So I reiterate, you 100% had to have taken your profits there. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to tell you otherwise. So I'm going to do what happened the last time GJ traded around this price. On the 1 hour now, going across to the left, and you can see the zone we had created was this zone right here. This is the last zone that was created last time GJ traded around this price. I'm going to extend it to the right. We go across. So this is the next US session zone down. So if we want to target that, 158 pips there. Let's have a look what happens if I throw it on the 15-minute. This trade sinks to the downside, and then it does eventually tap in, then ends up rejecting from that point. So this is pretty much just building on session timing, session zones. So this is how you want to risk if there's no recent zones to go off. So this is what you do. You just look left, what happened the last time price traded this area. For this London session example now, I'm on EJ, and as you can see, it's a break and retest buy of Asia high. So if we just buy from this point right here, stops just down there. Now, in terms of targets, there isn't any recent price action to go off. If I go on the 15, there isn't any recent price action to go off. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put it on the 15 for now. So the next London, this is London this time. So the next London zone up is what I'm looking for. So the last time London traded around here. So if I go to the left, you can see that the last time London traded around here, there was nothing until this point right there. So that would be a potential target zone, but still got to look to the left. If I go left again, got to look to the left. Last time London traded around this price, what happened? Well, we had this low zone right here. So this could be a potential London zone. If I drag this all the way across, skip this. So I've dragged this across now, and you can see this is in fact lower than that. So this is the last time that London traded this price. This is the zone that was created. And if I throw it back on the 5, how many pips is that? 40 pips, that's a good amount for EJ. So if I play this one out, pushes up, pushes up, pushes up, taps in, and ends up rejecting that spot right there. So that is the importance of knowing your session zone. So this is a London session zone. Just the last time that London traded this price was in fact this point here. So as you can see a bit clearer on the hourly, it was the last point there, and it ended up rejecting it and then sinking to the downside from there. So this is a little bit more about the zones. When there's no recent price action, all you've got to do is go all the way to the left, the last time the session this pair was traded, and you will find your target zone. So I've shown you 3 examples now.